Today we're in the basement. We're going to be installing a sump pump. This is where we've had it before, and previously we've just ran the line out the dryer hole, but that's not really a good long-term solution. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to run a PVC pipe up the wall, and then we're going to angle over, and we're going to drill a hole through right here. And just to show a little better view of what we're looking at here, here's the bulkhead. Basically we're going to come through somewhere about here, turn 90, and we're going to go right out through the side of the bulkhead here. And that way we can just hook up to our hoses and we'll have a good permanent system that's all outside, so that way we're never messing with running temporary hoses and stuff like that. We just have a system that's ready to go, plugged in, and we'll pump water. So let's get to drilling. There's our hole to the outside. I don't know where my extension went, but I gotta punch that metal out as well. Awesome, hardest part's done. This is a 2-inch thread, and we've been using it with a 1.5-inch adapter directly into a flexible hose. So basically that'll kind of reduce the flow. So our plan is, we're removing this, and I have another adapter piece that keeps it 2-inch. So it's a 2-inch thread, and then you can put a 2-inch PVC right inside of it, and that'll allow us to have full flow all the way till we get outside. A little bit of a downward slope, so that way hopefully water drains out. And then over here, this is a slightly downward slope as well. I need to get another 90-degree. I'm going to use the wider radius so it doesn't slow the water down that much. That's why I drilled it here instead of over here. And I need to get a different adapter at the store. This is a 1 3/4. I should have measured it before. I just assumed it was 2-inch, and this one is too big. So I realized I kind of stopped filming, so sorry about that. Just wanted to show the final product here on the sump pump install. So we got the pump set down in the well there, and we ran a PVC hardline. This is 1.5 coming out of the pump to a 1.5 to 2-inch adapter going into a sewer check valve, so that way water doesn't just backflow right out, it'll stay in the pipe. And then we came up with our 2-inch, got our 90-degree, we secured that to the beam there, and then a couple more supports to hold it. I mean, it is, I guess I can tighten that up, but it's pretty solid, it's not going anywhere. And we sent a hole right through that side, and we'll show you real quick what we're working with. And out on this side we have a 90-degree, and then out the end of the bulkhead. So that should do the job. We haven't actually had to use it yet, which is a good thing. I also picked up 100 feet of backwash hose, so it's 2-inch, and that way If we are going to get rain, I can slip that over the PVC on the outside, and I can point the water wherever we need, get it all away from the house. So anyway, that's just a brief overview, but just wanted to just show the final product because I realized I didn't really film that. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll try to do more filming and stuff soon. Just been pretty busy with everything, but yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.